To you. Yeah. Put the next one in the row, baby. This your vlog or my vlog?
I'm the one who gave you the bump in the front and the back.
Come on. Yeah, they not finna mess my clothes up before I go to church. Come on. Good morning, beautiful people. So, today is a kind of rush day. Alexa, what time is it?
Good morning, Destiny. It's 11:03 a.m.
I was supposed to be up at 5, 6 o'clock this morning. I did not get up because my middle baby decided to come get in the bed with us. Don't know why, but she decided to come get in the bed with us. So I done threw my morning off. Had to put her back to sleep and stuff. So now I'm rushing. Birthday girl and her sister's about to get in the tub. So while they're in the tub, I'm going to be setting up everything for her party. Well, not her party, but for her birthday. We were throwing a party, but we quickly changed our mind. We didn't know what the weather was going to be. We didn't know who was actually going to come on the 4th of July. And it was just too much. So she got sisters. She got enough people. Wow. Oh my God, my hair looks a mess. Yeah, so I'm going to do my hygiene, get dressed real quick. So while they're in the tub, I can set this stuff up real quick so she could be surprised and all happy and stuff. Make her little day. So this is the backdrop that I got. I got a Barbie backdrop. 3 pieces? What you mean 3 pieces? Oh my God.
Is it supposed to be one piece?
That's what I thought it was. It's 3 different pieces though.
I feel like it's the banner.
Right. Hey, stop. Back up. You don't have on any clothes, girl. Open. I'm gonna have to go get tape for this. This is a lot going on.
Let me see a picture on the front. Oh, just one big backdrop.
Yeah, it's one big backdrop, but it's in 3 different pieces.
You got some more thumbtacks?
No, that's something that was in that bag, I think. That you threw away.
You want it on the windowsill? It's gonna fall.
I know. I gotta go get some tape. All right, y'all. So I done set everything up. Got their little gift bags, her gift bags, and her gifts. Here's her cake. It's just something, a little something, something. It is. The weather looks horrible outside. Like, let me show y'all. Look at this weather. This is our 4th of July. Yay. Look at mommy. 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Malaya. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You're 4.
How old are you, Malaya?
Four.
Show me how old you are.
4.
Good job. Do it again. Put up 4 fingers. Help you? You see it?
Yeah, that's so cute.
It's so cute. It's so cute. You like it?
Yeah, I think it's a Barbie car.
Look, it's a Barbie bubble thingy. It put bubbles in it. I think mommy got to get some batteries for it though. Okay.
Why is she yelling now?
I don't know. This is that thing that you've been playing with. That you.
I know how you get down.
I'm vlogging.
Oh wow!
This your Barbie boat that you've been playing with in the garage after I told you not to. Yeah.
It's dirty.
Yeah, it's
Show
dirty.
the camera. Show the camera what it is. Turn it the other way.
Here, open the last gift. The last gift bag. Pull it out. Help you? Here.
It's so cute. Hold this for me, Mama.
Dang.
You don't care about this, Malia?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it, but it's so cute.
Yeah.
But you want to play with that? Okay. I thought you would be excited about this. You not excited about this? Back up. Back up, Miley.
Come back, mother.
Oh, shit, baby. Put the next one in the roll, baby. Put the next one in the roll. Oh, shit. What? Go put that one in the roll, man. See, Mama? It's okay.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
That was fast. Wow.
Better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
What's up, beautiful people? We are back at it. We are getting ready for church, as y'all saw. The kids ate cereal. I took my bath. I feel better. Now I need to do my hygiene. It's chapstick, but yes, baby, it is. I'm about to get myself together so then I can get these kids together. So yeah, come on.
And I said you were doing gymnastics.
You're gonna do some gymnastics today. She's doing gymnastics today, y'all.
Because Daddy's doing my body does
This your vlog or my vlog?
your block.
All right, get down. Jesus. All right. Yeah, I don't start using baking. My kids decided they want to climb up in here right now, so yeah, me. All right, y'all, I'm gonna spray my hair. I made some rosemary hair growth oil, homemade, and you put some water in it, and then you just spray your hair.
I know.
I don't think I can fit it.
Try it on. You done lost a lot of weight.
I'm talking about with my belly.
Try it on. You done lost a lot of weight.
It's a size 10.
Try it on. Lost a lot of weight.
Okay, babe, I'll try it on. B. All right, y'all.
No. You little, mama.
I feel B.
You
All right,
are-
y'all,
Yo,
so-
she's small. If I could do like pregnancy by pregnancy with
Let me see.
Malaya and Mila, you was way bigger.
All right, so this is the bump. A bump in the front and the, okay, it's church. It's God's day. Let's not do that. I got a bump now.
God, the one who gave you the bump in the front and the back?
All right, but it fit, I guess. It feels a little too tight, but what else I did?
You like mommy dress? How mommy look?
Yeah.
I look good, thank you, baby.
Did it go with the girls?
Give it back.
Get it back. Give it back. All right, y'all. Let me start getting these kids going. Okay. I got a rumble and tussle with them real quick. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, they're not gonna mess my clothes up before I go to church.
Whoa.
One ponytail or two? One. Like this? You want your hair like this? Yeah? Okay. You like Poppy?
Yeah.
From the Smurfs?
No.
From where?
From Shrek. I don't
From
agree.
Shrek?
From
Oh, girl. Oh, Lord. I forgot. Ah, okay. Come on. Don't eat it. They are?
Yeah.
I don't know. You're welcome. All right, y'all. We on the way to the church. It's 9:33, and we're gonna be late. I'm gonna blame it on him. But anyway, okay, y'all. They fed us today. They sure did. They fed us today. They fed us today. We had McDonald's, chicken sandwiches, chicken biscuits. Yeah, it's still biscuits, baby. I had some coffee.
They got 50,000 biscuits.
It's 10:52, so it's almost time to go to church. I got my little baby blanket with me for my legs. Can you go cut the light off on the other side, baby? Ugh. We're leaving the youth. Not youth, Lord, young adult. You're good. Okay, cut the light. Oh, it's raining, y'all. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
Raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Oh, I chose the wrong day to wear these shoes. Girl, it's raining. Okay. Are you telling a story at church?
I did how to slide.
You did? Okay.
Mommy, what's my name?
Malaya done. All right, y'all. So we're leaving church. Church was really good. How you felt about church, baby?
It was good. Good message.
Right. Cheap, baby. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna back here and see if they have some Dove body wash, because I am almost out and I need some soap. So hold on, they got a lot of stuff. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all. Okay, they got some Dove men. He wants some, but I want some. But they got Dove men. They got some Dyer. Exfoliate away. I like exfoliating. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Is this the one you like? This the one I be liking for him. No, I was gonna get 3 of those. Okay, I'm gonna go get a buggy. Hold on, y'all. Boom. Oh, let me show y'all what I'm getting. So it's the Old Spice exfoliating sandalwood and aloe vera scent. Baby Chef's Kiss. What scent is this? This is charcoal. I'm gonna get one of those for him. They also whipped body butter, $5. I've been liking this body scrub stuff. I used to make my own. But I stopped. Okay. Let's see. Don't need any mouthwash. Don't need no toothpaste. Hi. Sorry. Let's see. Do we have women's Dove soap? Let's see. Oh, bingo. And it has a body scrub. So boom. I can put these back. How much is this? This is $6.99. These were $6.79. So I can get one. I can get 3 of these. This comes with the Dove Deep Moisture and the body scrub. So I'm getting both at the same time. Alright, y'all. I'm at Sam's Club now. Good morning. Well, good afternoon now. Okay, so I gotta run around and try to find all the stuff that I'm looking for, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I get from here once I get back home. But it's packed, it's busy, and they playing music, and I'm trying to hurry up. So I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I just made it back from the house. Lord. I just made it back from Sam's Club and Ollie's. Let me show y'all what I got. Hey. Sit on the couch. So I decided to go ahead and get the kids cartwheel shorts for under their dresses and you know what they wear with their little t-shirts or whatever for school. So I got one for each kid, a size 4-5 and a size 3T. And then I got them in these colors too and these as well. So in total, they got 9 pairs of shorts. I will go back and get their pants once they go on sale because these were only $3 and some change per pack. I'll take that. As y'all know, I'm trying to redo my pantry and stuff and get my house organized. Stop, Malia. And get my house organized. So I found these baskets. They were 2 for $10. So they cute little storage baskets. Okay, we'll fall out. Just destructive.
Eating on crayons.
Right, eating crayons, tearing up stuff. So I got 4. It's a 2-pack, so I got 2. So I spent $20. on 4. Malaya, please stop. Thank you. They had these meatballs on sale. 4-pack for $2.91. They already pre-cooked. They're beef and chicken. They fully cooked, ready to eat. Of course, you know I will add my own seasoning. They're in spaghetti sauce. But I got 4 packs of these because these can go on the shelf and I can warm these up at any time. They do. Malaya, please stop. Okay, go in there and do that. They expire in 2027, so I can always throw these on the shelf when I want to make some meatball subs or spaghetti and meatballs or whatever, something quick for the kids. I can do that. My husband was talking about he wants some Honey Nut Cheerios. Got 2 of those, cause one for you, one for me. I got my buckets. My food grade buckets from Sam's Club with the lids for $3 and some change. I got it for my rice, my flour, cornmeal, all of those things. Boo. Hey, pretty girl. So I got all of my buckets. Now I just have to get my shelves and stuff. What's up, baby? Where you got these from?
That's for you, mommy and daddy.
Where you got it from?
For you and mommy and daddy.
Or where did you get these from?
So you had a sad party. And
Are you supposed to be eating these?
no.
Okay.
Hey, let me take you.
A little bit more. How many is that? Count them.
1, 2, 3,
4. Because you're 4. Goodbye.
4.
Yeah, you're 4.
4 times.
Y'all, she wanted soul chocolate.
Look.
So, oh, I also got
Now, if he has something like this,
wipes.
if he has something
You can get some water, baby. Let me show you what I got from Ollie's now. Girl, get down. Oh, hold on. Before I get to Ollie's, I also got this sorbet thing. It went viral a while ago, like a long time ago. But baby, I wasn't buying that then. It was $10, I think. But it's some sorbet. We're gonna have some after dinner. So now, Ollie's. I got this Dove pack with the deep moisture and the body scrub. I got 3 of these, by the way. 3 of those. I got my husband some Old Spice revitalizing with charcoal body wash. A big thing. This was $6.99. I'm gonna compare that to the prices in the regular store. Come on, baby. I got my husband 3 of these Old Spice Gentleman's exfoliating body wash in the scent sandalwood and aloe vera scent. $3.99 a piece. And then the last 2 things, I got him some cleansing pads with salicylic acid, agri treatment, something. Yeah, I got him that. What you doing? Oh, okay. And then I just got some rubbing alcohol because we needed it for our little campfire little thingamajigger. So yeah, y'all, that's what I got from the store.
Mommy, what's
I'm about to put all this stuff up where it need to go. So yeah, I need to take out the pork chops because that's what I'm cooking for dinner. And I'm gonna start doing my laundry, getting through. Hey, you loud. You're loud. Thank you. Yeah, I'm about to end my video so you can watch your back wheels. All right, y'all, I'm about to go do laundry and clean up and stuff. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. All right, y'all, so I just want to update y'all real quick. We're watching Scandal right now. I did not cook dinner. We ended up eating leftovers. Hubby, let me see your plate real quick. I just warmed mine up. But I'm finna show y'all his, okay? This is his. This is what I had cooked yesterday. I did like a baked macaroni type of thing.
She did chili mac, bro.
Chili
Mac when I see it.
Chili mac, whatever he wants to call it. That's what I did. I had my bowl. The kid ate noodles. We're gonna relax today. I'm gonna season up the pork chops and stuff before I go to bed so we can have that tomorrow, so it didn't get thrown out for no reason. I would have cooked it, but it's time for these kids to go to bed. Okay? That'll be this weekend's vlog. Sorry I didn't get any more cleaning clips. I'm sorry, y'all. But I got y'all next week. But I love y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed and amazing day. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.